During the first call with your sales consultant at Sun Design, you can expect to get a really in-depth background of our company and an overall sense of what you can expect from the process that we provide. We also like to get a really clear picture of your project and what you're planning so that we can make sure that we're mutually a good fit. A lot of people will ask us, why do you start with a virtual? Because nobody else has asked me to do that, or no one else has even suggested that. Well, we do it for a lot of different reasons, and they all come down to comfort of the client and making sure that you have a full knowledge of us. Inviting a stranger into your home is never a comfortable feeling, much less when you are interviewing companies and you have lots of different people coming in and out. We want you to know about our background, our history, our process. We want to give you the opportunity to vet us and make sure that the basic criteria hits what you're looking for and that you're comfortable and confident in having us come in and be in your home. That's one part. The other is that we want to make sure that we're mutually a good fit when it comes to the project that you want to do. We certainly don't want to waste your time. We live in an area where everyone is incredibly busy. I know that you're probably scheduling time off of work or in between meetings to meet with us. We don't want to take up a lot of your time just to say, we're probably not the right fit for you. Because that is one thing that we will always do. If we're not the right fit, we'll tell you, because we want to give you that transparency. And honestly, that's how we have happy clients.